Hello and welcome to Teach to Learn, the channel in which I teach concepts so you can learn them and I can better understand them. Right now we're going to be learning how to use the destructuring assignment to assign variables from objects. Destructuring allows you to assign a new variable name when extracting values. You can do this by putting the new name after a colon when assigning the value. So using the same object from the last example, meaning the previous lesson, here we have our object user, so a variable declared with the const keyword and assigned an object with two properties, name and age. Name contains a string value of John Doe and age a number value of 34. And then they say, here's how you can give new variable names in the assignment. So we have our destructuring assignment right here with the const keyword. We have name, username, age, user age, and assigned the user. And then they're telling us how to read this right here. So you may read it as get the value of user name, so user.name, accessing our name property from our user object using dot notation and assign it to a new variable named user name. So what this is doing, it is taking the value of our name property within our object, so our user object, taking the contents from that and is assigning it to a new variable called user name. So if we were to log our variable user name into the console, we would get a string value of John Doe because it has taken the contents of property name from the user object and assigned it to a new variable called user name. The same goes for the age variable, the user age variable. It took the contents from the age property in our user object and assigned it to a variable called user age. So then they say just that. The value of username would be the string John Doe, and the value of user age would be the number 34. And then moving on to the challenge, we need to replace the two assignments with an equivalent destructuring assignment. It should still assign the variables hi today and hi tomorrow, the values of today and tomorrow from the high temperatures object. So we have our high temperatures object right here, and it contains inside three properties with the values representing temperatures for yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Then we have two variables declared, hi today and hi tomorrow, each with the const keyword, and assigned the values for the today. The hi today property is assigned the value of the hi today variable, is assigned the value of the today property within our high temperatures object using dot notation. The same for the hi tomorrow variable, which is taking the value of the tomorrow property from our high temperatures object and assigning it through dot notation to our hi tomorrow variable. We need to change this and replace it with an equivalent destructuring assignment. So very simple. We go const, open up our curly braces and hi today. So we take the value of the today property and assign it to the hi today variable. Then we go to our tomorrow property within our object and assign to it the value. Remember, we must use a colon for this, and assign it the value and assign it, to our hi tomorrow variable. And we need to establish which object we are referring to. Our object is called high temperatures. And let's log our new variables into the console. So console log hi today, and we should get the value of our today property within our high temperatures object. As you can see, 77 right here and 77 right here. Now let's log our hi tomorrow property. And excuse me. And we get our value of 80, which has been assigned to our high tomorrow variable and extracted from our tomorrow property within our high temperatures object. So this challenge is now effectively done. And thank you so much for watching. This has been your bearded coding friend, teachToLearn. If you enjoyed the video, if you learned something, please leave a like and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys in the next one, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye.